Good afternoon, folks. Hope everybody's all right, and I hope you're doing well. Today I'll be using my Hatson. No, maybe it's Diana. I'm not sure, but I've got the target set up at 14 inches, and today I'll be shooting JSB 30 grain slugs. And I just changed the CO2 canister out. You always want to lube the seal. I personally like to put a little blue Loctite on there. Keeps from leaking. Now, it's a little overcast in the shop today, so let me turn on my laser. And let's see if we can't get a good group. Now, how do we turn this off? Okay. Here we go. Oh, got to cock it first. Okay, that ought to be a pretty good group. Put her back on safety there. Let me run down here and get this started. Well, apparently I missed with all 30 rounds. But in my defense, we do have a heavy cross breeze coming from the heater vent. Well, folks, I guess that's about all today. Remember to always pay your waitress, never cheat on your taxes, and stay fat broke for life.